Hey everyone, it's Andy from MrYouWho, and today we're unboxing some exciting tech from 70mai. We're looking at two different dash cams. We're looking at the A810 and the A800S. What I'm going to do is start by looking at each one and then doing a comparison between the two. So let's start. So looking at the A810 dash cam. So in the box we've got the A810 dash cam itself with a sleek compact design, a mounting bracket for secure installation, power cord and car charger for continuous power supply, electrostatic sticker, wiring crowbar, and of course the user manual to guide us through the setup and configuration. Moving on to the dash cam itself, the A810 is equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. This sensor is game changing, providing impressive clarity and color accuracy even in challenging light conditions. What's especially exciting about this model as well is its dual channel recording capability. It comes with a front camera that records in 4K, capturing details like license plates, street signs. There's also an optional rear camera, as you can see here, recording 1080 HDR, which enhances colors and balances for clear footage, even in low light. The A810 also has a 3-inch IPS screen. As you can see here, it's got easy access to live footage and settings. It's easy to adjust the angle or review the footage, and the screen quality is impressive. You've also got buttons on the side there as well, which has got your power supply to plug it in. It all looks very, very good. There's also got the MAI Color Vivid Solution and Night Owl Vision. These are 70mai's proprietary tech, so designed to enhance color and visibility at night. So we'll look at that shortly. This camera also has smart features like AI motion detection, which kicks in while you're parked. It can also detect motion around you as well. Setting up the A810 is pretty simple. We've also got a hardware kit provided as well, which is essential because it allows you to get 24 hours surveillance, meaning it stays on even when the car is off. The wiring crowbar is also a neat little tool to help with your car. Once installed, the A810 connects to 70mai app, and through the app you can control everything on there. Alright, we've seen the A10, now let's look at the A800S. So the A800S has a very similar boxing features. So you've got the A800S dash cam, the mounting bracket, the adhesive sticker and 2 anti-static films, USB cable and light adapter, and wiring crowbar and the user manual. So this is where the cameras are different. The A800S also has a 4K dash cam, but it uses Sony IMX415 sensor. It's a slightly different sensor that A810's built, but still very capable of capturing clear, detailed footage. It boasts 140-degree viewing angle, which is perfect for capturing a wide scope of area. One of the nice things about the A800S is its discreet design. It sits flat in the windshield, and when placed behind the rearview mirror, it's nearly invisible from the outside. This is great for anyone who prefers a less obtrusive look inside the car. Very similar again, it's got the 3-inch screen for live viewing and easy adjustment. It's just like the A810. And it's also got the camera at the back too, as you can see. So you still get dual channel capability with both these cams. This model also includes a 3D dynamic noise reduction. It enhances video quality by filtering out noise, especially in low light conditions. And like the A810, the A800 also has a loop cycle, which gives you space to record important moments. You can also record up to 256 gig on expandable memory. When it comes to security as well, the A800S also includes advanced driver assistance system, which provides lane departure and collision warnings. So the A800S and the A810 is just as straightforward, and you can also use a wiring kit or you can hardwire it in as well. Overall, both the A810 and A800S are excellent dash cams from 70mai, but the A810 stands out if you're after the latest features, enhanced nighttime recording and smart motion detection. The A800S, on the other hand, is a fantastic option if you want a reliable, high-quality 4K dashcam with ADAS as a slightly more budget-friendly price. So guys, I'm going to do this full review shortly so you can have a look and let us know what you think of them. But yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more reviews. See you next video and drive safe.